Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my online classes. This is Om Maths Corner. Today we shall discuss. Today our topic is revision plan for the chapter determinants. Here we shall discuss very important questions to the examination point of view. These very important questions, they are selected from previous year's board examination question papers. So let us proceed now. The very first question is, if a is equal to 101 012 004, then show that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant of a. So first of all we take left hand side. This is determinant of 3a, right? Mean to say, what is the given matrix? We multiply each element of the given matrix with 3. So this becomes 3 0 3 0 3 3 into 2 6 0 0 3 into 4 12, right? So how to multiply this now? How to find the determinant? We first of all take this element 3. Now corresponding to this 3, the row and column, we are eliminating that this way. What we are left with? 3 6 0 12, its determinant, that is determinant of 3 0 6 12, right? Now we take the second element. Here this is 0, or we can come downward also. So minus 0 into, corresponding to this 0, row and column, we are going to eliminate that. This is the row, we eliminated this, and this is the column, we eliminated this. Now what we are left with? 0 0 3 12 3 12, its determinant. Next time we take next 0 plus 0, multiply corresponding to this 0, row and column, we eliminate that. Now what is the determinant of 0 3 0 3 3 6? Okay, so what we do? Answer is 3 into 12 into 3 36, minus 0 into 6 minus 0, minus 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. So answer is 108. Similarly we take now right hand side. Right hand side is 27 into determinant of a. Mean to say 27 into, what is determinant of a? Like we solved this determinant, we are also solving this. So we are writing here 1 into determinant of 1024. This and this, that they will be accordingly 0. So finally we have 27 into 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0, that is also equal to 108. So 108 108, left hand side equal to right hand side, show that left side equal to right side, hence proved. Now next question. Here we have one rule also. What is the rule? What is the order of this matrix? The order is 3 by 3. So what we say, if we write k into a, then answer will be k raised to power 3 into determinant of a. K is any constant, right? Because order was 3, square matrix. So this way, this is the rule how we can write. Now next question. Question number 2. Find value of x if determinant of 2541 equal to determinant of 2x 6 4x. So here we take 2 into 1 is 2, 2 is multiplied with 1, minus sign, 5 is multiplied with 4, 5 into 4 20. This is left hand side. Similarly right hand side, 2x will be multiplied with x, 2x square minus 6 into 4 24. So what is there? Minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24. So next we write this as 2x square minus 24 plus 18. So this is equal to minus 6, or we can say this is equal to plus 6. Okay, so mean to say x square is equal to 3. So what is the value of x? X is equal to plus minus square root of 3. Now next question. Question number 3. Using determinants, find the area of the triangle with vertices 1 minus 1, 2 4, minus 3 5. So here area of the triangle, area of the triangle with vertices, these 3 vertices, we write area symbol, this symbol delta is equal to half determinant of, we write first pair ordered pair 1 minus 1, second order pair 2 4, third ordered pair is minus 3 5. Lastly here we take 1 1 1 as the third column. Okay, so how to find now area? First of all we write here 1 by 2, then this 1 is written as it is. Now corresponding to this 1 we eliminate row and column, and the rest we are left with is 4 5 1 1, its determinant. Next plus minus, minus minus this becomes plus 1, determinant, we eliminate this column, corresponding column and row. What is we are left with? 2 minus 3 1 1, its determinant. Lastly plus minus plus, here the sign is plus, plus 1 determinant of corresponding column and row, where we eliminate that we are left with 2 minus 3 4 5. This way we can calculate the determinant. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into 4 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 minus minus this becomes plus 3. Next plus 1, 2 into 5 is 10, minus minus plus 3 into 4 12. Right, so finally the answer is 1 by 2 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 10 plus 12 is 22. So this is equal to 4, 4 plus 22, 26 upon 2, 13 square unit is the area of the required triangle. Our next question is find the equation of the line joining points 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. So here first of all what we do, we consider any triangle and we write the vertices. First vertex is 3 1, second vertex is 9 3, and third vertex we consider this as x comma y. Right, now if these 3 points are collinear, that is they lie on the same line, that is they are not forming a triangle, it means the area of the triangle is equal to 0. So what we say, uh, the 3 points are point xy, point 31, point 93 do not form the triangle. It means area of the triangle is equal to 0. So what we say here, how to find the area? Symbol is this, half into xy 3193 111, this is equal to 0. This is area. So what we say, this is equal to 0. Now we solve 1 by 2 cannot be equal to 0, it means only determinant is equal to 0. So we write here x into corresponding to this 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, next is minus y into 3 minus 9 plus 1 into 3 into 3, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So solving this again, x minus 3, this becomes minus 2x, this is minus 6 minus minus plus 6y, this is 0 equal to 0. Dividing by 2 we get x, dividing by minus 2, x minus 3y is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Okay, area of the triangle equal to 0 mean this is these 3 points lie on the same line. So this is the equation of the line joining the 2 points. Now next question. Question number 5. Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, where A is equal to 3275, B is equal to 6789. So firstly we take left hand side, the product AB, that is A is 3275 and B is 6789, right? We multiply now, 3 into 6 18 plus 7 into 7 49, 2 into 6 12 plus 5 into 7 35, 3 into 8 24 plus 7 into 9 63, 2 into 8 16 plus 5 into 9 45. So this is equal to 67 47 87 61. Now what we do, we find the determinant of this product AB. It means 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87 minus 2. So determinant of AB is minus 2. Now we find adjoint matrix. So how to find adjoint of the matrix? First of all we find minor matrix of this product matrix AB. What is that? That is equal to, in place of 67 corresponding row and column we eliminate that, 61 is there, we write this. Next, in place of 87 we write 47, in place of 47 we write 87, in place of 61 we write 67. This is called minor matrix of AB. Now we find cofactor matrix of AB. So what is here? Just we insert plus minus sign, right? 61 mean the place value is A11, 1 plus 1 is 2, so even mean we put here plus sign. 47 place is A12, 1 plus 2 is 3, odd mean here we put minus sign. 87 is A21, 2 plus 1 is 3, so we put minus sign. 67 is A22, it means 2 plus 2 is 4, even mean plus. right? So this remains as it is, 61, 87, 47, 67, right? After cofactor matrix we now find adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix of this AB product. Simply what we do, row, we take the transpose of the cofactor matrix. This row becomes first column, 61 minus 47. Next, second row becomes second column, minus 87, 67. Right? So this is the adjoint matrix of the product AB. Now what is the question? What is AB inverse? That is left hand side. We write it as AB whole inverse. This is equal to 1 upon determinant of AB into adjoint matrix of AB. So what was determinant? This was minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 into determinant of adjoint matrix, that is 61 minus 47 minus 87, 67. Sorry, this determine this matrix. Okay, so this is the inverse of AB, left hand side. Now we shall solve right hand side also. Here first of all we take B matrix, and what is determinant of B matrix? This is 6 into 9, 54, minus 7 into 8, 56. This is also equal to minus 2. Likewise, we are going to find first of all the minor matrix of B. Minor matrix of B, which is equal to, corresponding to this 6, eliminate column and row, we are left with only 9. Next, with 8 row and column eliminated, 7. With 7, this is 8. With 9, this is 6. Now we find cofactor matrix of B. Cofactor matrix of B, it means just only we put here plus, here minus, here again minus, here plus. This is 9, 7, 8, 6. Right? Next is adjoint of B. Adjoint matrix of B, it means simply this first row becomes first column, 9 minus 7. Second row becomes second column, minus 8, 6. Now what is B inverse? B inverse is 1 upon determinant of B into adjoint matrix of B. So what is this 1 upon adjoint determinant of B is minus 2, and adjoint matrix is 9 minus 7 minus 8, 6. Similarly, we find determinant of A, which is equal to 3 into 5, 15, minus 2 into 7, 14, which is equal to 1. Now in order to find A inverse, first of all the same thing, we write minor matrix of A. Minor matrix of A is 5, 2, 7, 3. Next is cofactor matrix of A. Cofactor matrix of A, here we have 5, minus 2, minus 7, 3. Next we have adjoint matrix of A. Here this becomes 5 minus 2, minus 7, 3. Now what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of matrix A, which is equal to, determinant is 1. So 1 into adjoint of A, that is 5 minus 2 minus 7, 3. So this is the A inverse. Now we find B inverse into A inverse. Right hand side, which is equal to B inverse into A inverse. What is B inverse? This is we write here as minus 1 by 2. We can write this outside. This be minus 1 by 2. Be 9 minus 7 minus 8 6 into A inverse is 5 minus 2 minus 7 3. Now we multiply them. Minus 1 by 2 outside as it is. 9 into 5 45 minus minus plus 8 into 2 16. Here next is minus 7 into 5 minus 35 minus 6 into 2 minus 12. Next is 9 into minus 7 minus 63 minus 8 into 3 minus 24 minus 7 into minus 7 49 6 into 3 plus 18. So finally we get minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47, and this is again 67. So what was the question? Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Left hand side is this, and right hand side B inverse into A inverse, they are same, so we say hence verified. Now next question. Question number 6. Show that the matrix A is equal to 2 1 3 2 satisfies the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0 matrix. Hence find A inverse. So first of all we find A square. A square means the given matrix 2 1 3 2 into 2 1 3 2. This means 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 1 into 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 4. So this is equal to 7 4 12 7. Right? Now we use this result and put in this equation A square minus 4A plus I left hand side is equal to 0 right hand side. A square means 7 4 12 7, this matrix, minus 4 into A matrix already given 2 1 3 2 plus I mean identity matrix. This is 1 0 0 1, and 0 matrix it mean 0 0 0 0 of order 2. Now we solve this. This becomes 7 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 4 into 1 plus 1. Next is 4 minus 4 plus 0 12 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 0. Next is 7 minus 4 into 2 8 plus 1 is equal to right hand side is 0 0 0 0. So what is the conclusion? This is 0 0 0 0 is equal to 0 0 0 0. So show that, hence verified. Hence we write A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0 matrix. Okay. Now next part of the question is hence find A inverse. Hence mean from this equation From this conclusion, find A inverse. So how to find? We proceed now. Here we substitute, we take a square minus 4a is equal to minus I. I will go to right hand side. Now what we do, we take a common at left hand side, then we are left with a minus 4. We cannot write 4 alone, scalar. We have to multiply the identity matrix with this. Right hand side is minus I. Now we both side multiply A inverse into A. So we write here A inverse into A minus 4I is equal to minus A inverse into I. This way. Now A inverse into I, that is identity matrix, and identity matrix, that means like 1 into something. We are left with only this result. Mean to say, we are writing here A minus 4I is equal to minus A inverse, or we can conclude A inverse is equal to minus A plus 4I. Right? Now what is minus A? This is equal to minus A value. This is already given in the question. This is A 2132. 2132 plus 4 into I mean 1001. Right? Next we have, this is equal to minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3, minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So this is A inverse. So what was the question? Hence find A inverse. So this way, from the equation we find what is the A inverse. Now next question. Now question number 7. Given that A is equal to 1 minus 1 0 2 3 4 0 1 2. B is another matrix 2 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 minus 1 5. Find the product AB. Use this to solve the following system of equations. X minus y is equal to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 17. Y plus 2z is equal to 7. So what is the purpose? First of all, find AB product. So here AB product, writing A matrix then B matrix like this. This is A matrix, this is B matrix. Now we find product matrix. 1 into 2 2 plus minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 plus 0 into 2 0. So this is 6. Likewise 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into minus 4 minus 12 plus 4 into 2 8. This result is 0. Similarly this is equal to 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So mean to say, if we take 6 outside, then we are left with identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Right? Now we write this system of linear equations systematically, that is x minus y plus 0z is equal to 3. Next is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 17. This equation, last equation is 0x plus 1y plus 2z is equal to 7. So what we can say, in matrix form we can write this as coefficients are, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is -1, z coefficient is 0, x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3, z coefficient is 4, x coefficient 0, 1, 2, into we write x, y, z. Right hand side this is 3, 17, 7. Right? Mean to say this x, y, z is equal to, this will go to right hand side with inverse. That means 1, 2, 0, -1, 3, 1, 0, 4, 2, its inverse into this whole matrix 3, 17, 7. Right? Now what we see from this product, 1, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, this is same. So what we say, this was matrix A. Okay, and here in the product, AB product, answer was 6 into I. So what we can say, A inverse, A into, we can take it as AB upon 6 is equal to I. So what is A inverse? So A inverse is equal to B upon 6. Only then the product of A into A inverse is I, because we know that only A into A inverse gives the result identity matrix. So here the value of A inverse is B matrix upon 6. So same we are doing here. What we are doing here, we are writing x, y, z is equal to, this was A inverse, and A inverse is B upon 6, that is 1 upon 6 into B. B matrix mean this given matrix. We write here this way, B matrix is written here. Okay, in place of this A inverse, B upon 6 into this given matrix, right hand side 3, 17, 7. Right? Now we multiply this 1 upon 6 into 2 into 3, 6, plus 2 into 17, 34, minus 4 into 7, 28. Next is minus 4 into 3, minus 12, plus 2 into 17, 34, minus 4 into 7, 28. Next is 2 into 3, 6, minus 1 into 17, minus 17, plus 5 into 7, 35. Right? So what happens? This is equal to 1 upon 6 into, this result is 12 minus 6, next plus 24. So what is the conclusion next? X is equal to 12 upon 6 to y is equal to minus 6 upon 6 minus 1, comma z is equal to 24 upon 6 4, z is equal to 4. Right? So finally the value of x is 2, y is minus 1, and z is equal to 4. This question, this type of questions, they are very important to the examination point of view. Given that two matrices are given, then we have to find the product of the two matrices. Of course the result will be in the form of identity matrix will be obtained. Okay, thereafter the given system of equations we write them in matrix form. Okay, from here we search what is needed. Here the need was A inverse, So A inverse value B upon 6, we substituted that, thereafter we multiplied, hence we